shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.
All right, field trip continues. Mono Lake. Mono Lake. Potato. Boy, I'll tell you, the lake is a sight to behold. It looks more like another planet than Earth. There was a sad poem posted about the wolf, how the numbers are dwindling, and the fierce green fire is dying in their eyes. In 1994, this unique lake was ordered protected by California. The lake has an island in the middle. Even Smokey the Bear was on the scene preventing forest fires. The lake has salty, alkaline soil, drying winds, and limited moisture, yet the plants have adapted. The land is sparse, yet has its own unique beauty. You can see the salt building up along the shore. Various volcanic boulders were on display. Here's Bobby ready to use the pumice stone for a petty. It was hot weather for a fall day, with just a few clouds in the sky. After the outdoor sights, we went into the museum. The salt columns are way taller than they seem from afar. They had a kangaroo rat on display. Brine shrimp live in the salty lake, of course. And some of the food sources consumed by the locals way back when were stomach-turning for me. They lived in huts like these. Salt, salt, and more salt. Reminds me of a Jimmy Buffett song. There are a lot of recreational opportunities in the area. Come see for yourself. The warnings about bear activity began already as we head to Yosemite via the Tioga Pass, a first for both of us. The pass is closed more often than it's open. Stay tuned for our Tioga adventure.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit